Good day, mga ka-friendship. In our last video, we talk about Magesco current projects, their locations, and some informations about it. And now let's talk and get to know more about our current project, one by one. Also, I will give you tips and informations about swimming pools. Okay, let's go. First, let's talk about our project at Malvar, Batangas. As I said in our last video, we have a 2 ongoing swimming pool construction in Malvar, Batangas. This ongoing swimming pool construction, which has a kiddie pool for kids and kids at heart, and with its huge main pool that has a beautiful curved design, is almost finished and soon will be enjoyed. With its beautiful infinity canal that gives the people an infinite experience and joy. Both of its main pool and kiddie pool is an infinity type. It has a custom-made mosaic tile design by Magesco, a hidden trench drain that for water to go out. It has a non-slippery tile in its decking that is safe for everyone to walk with. It has a beautiful open shower that let you see this mountainous, beautiful scenery. Let's talk about its beautiful infinity canal. An infinity canal in a pool, also known as an overflow channel, is a specially designed drainage system that allows water to flow over the edge of the pool, creating the visual effect of the water seamlessly merging with the surrounding landscape, essentially making it appear as if the pool extends endlessly into the horizon. This is the key feature of an infinity pool. The canal collects the overflowing water and directs it to the pool's filtration system, maintaining the water level and preventing overflow. Now you know. In our next video, we are going to talk about our second swimming pool project here in Malvar, Batangas. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching, mga ka-friendship. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest projects and tips. Let Magesco Garden and Pool Services bring your outdoor dreams to life. See you in the next video.